Hi guys, welcome to Slime Masters channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a giant fluffy slime. I have bunch of glues with water base and shaving foams. One more, a Borax Solution. It's really giant. Oh, this is crazy. I'm really curious. Let's start. Okay friends, let's start with our glues. We will use a pool here. We have many glue bottles. I will pour all of them into our pool. 1, 2, 3 and more. I'm really excited. Wow, this is 49 and this is 50. Wow, I'm really tired. Finally. Okay, this is the most amazing time that I like it. I will put shaving foam into our pool. 1, 2, maybe more. I like it very much. And also this one. All together. Ooh. No, doesn't work. Let's take some help. Yes. Wow, it's like a foam fountain. Amazing. Finally, it's finished now. It's time to add some food coloring, but before it, I will use a small spoon, very small spoon. I'm coming. Yes, we have a very small spoon. I'm joking. This is really giant. And it will work. I'm sure that when we make our slime. Oh, wonderful! I feel that I'm mixing the clouds. Now, time to add some food coloring. I will make a giant blue marshmallow slime. Fluffy. Ooh. crazy. This is really cool. Okay, friends, I need a little bit more food coloring. Oh, super, amazing, wonderful. Okay, our mixture is ready, friends. It seems really like clothes, and most excited time is came. I will add Borax Solution into our pool. Okay, say goodbye to our small spoon. Bye! And also I will use my hands. Okay, both hands. Wow! It's so heavy and so soft, friends. Oh, wonderful. Oh, I try to lift it up. It's still so heavy. I need a little bit more stiff texture. So, okay. Some bunch. Wow, wow. Let's clean our hands. Okay, our giant fluffy slime more or less ready, friends, and the texture is really nice. Ooh. Let's play together. Say bye to our pool. Oh, still so heavy. Oh. Bye bye, pool. Now, our slime is ready to play. Okay, friends, our giant fluffy slime is ready. It's so big. Oh, wonderful. Let's try to lift it up. Oh, it's so amazing, nice blue color. I hope you also like it. I used many of glue and some shaving foams, more than 5. Of course, Borax Solution. Ow! Ouch! It's so heavy. Let's make me a hug. No. Ooh. Again, I try to. Oi. Wonderful, amazing, giant slime. If you like my video, please click the like button and please subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.